this morning we are out and walking. There's a lot of noise from the roads. We're on the main road at, what's the name?
We are here in a town called Avsallar.
Good job! And the reason why we are walking today is my phone is not working. Anyway, we will show more about that a little bit later. I just want to show you, like here in the back, that along this coastal roads there's many smaller and larger towns which has been built up on the concept of hotels, beach resorts and all these sort of things, and some of it is quite elaborated, and obviously it's closed, like the one here in the back here. It's obviously closed, there's nobody there, and here there's a house that has basically been abandoned, and not much is going on. We just passed through the commercial center thing with cafes and restaurants,
Shops.
and yeah, I would say about 25% is open, something like that. So it's very obvious that they're suffering from. Well, obviously it's winter time. It's in January now, and yeah, and COVID. So for sure, many businesses has simply caved in. There's no doubt about it. There's another hotel that is obviously completely closed down. If it's abandoned, I can't really say. If the business will start again, that's not possible to say, of course.
We are finally seeing the way to the beach. We've been looking for 2 minutes. And
it wasn't hard to find.
yeah,
Here's a doggy.
relaxing under the sun, like everybody wants to do, because it's been raining for 1 week, for a week now. And today the sun is completely out and there's no rain, and there's not gonna... Is it going to rain today?
I don't think so, no. What day is it? Friday? No, it's from Friday and the next 3-4 days it should be fine.
Yeah, so
I think there's a shower, I think, like tomorrow. I have to check, I can't be sure, but something like that.
So yeah, this is our second day. Is it here in Avsallar? Third day.
Second full day.
Second full day. Yeah, we didn't go out because we're so busy, and then it's been raining and blowing, and it's cold. So today we are finally out and trying to look around.
Just going for a walk.
Yeah.
Actually, it's because
And enjoy
the
the
repair
sun.
shop that is supposed to take my phone is not open yet.
Yeah.
So we had a cup of coffee and some breakfast in town. Yeah. Just underlining the fact, look at this. So some of these wealthy businessmen, they've taken the chance this downtown time to turn, I guess, residential areas to rubble, and then they will probably construct another hotel here later on. That's my guess.
So we are here
at the beach.
Beach.
With a cone head.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down.
Okay, so we just came from the beach a little bit. We're going on the underpass.
We'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Welcome to the other side of the road. You have successfully arrived.
We have successfully made it across the road.
Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, nothing's gonna hold us down. 'Cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky.
Now we are in Turkey, of course, and a guy like me who is always on the hunt for a good cup of coffee. Here in Turkey, once in a blue moon, yeah, I find coffee. Sometimes I actually find a good cup of coffee, but I would say generally they haven't catched up yet. Today I was unlucky. This is the second time that I managed to find a cup of coffee made of this powder coffee. I don't know what they're thinking. I'm not coming back to this place for that reason alone. They might have good food and whatever. You know, there's many tourists who stops and drink coffee here and have their tea. But that place here, Tata restaurant, they make powder coffee and I'm not interested. So this is happening once in a while. I don't know why they can't see that you can't buy powder and then serve it to customers. Instant cappuccino, whatever, with, I don't know, vanilla taste, caramel and all sort of things. And like, it's so difficult, it's indecent coffee. It tastes like crap. I'm not coming back here. But I want to say something about Turkey, and that's pretty much generally all over the place, and I speak for Max this time. Max is ordering, she's clever, she's ordering juice, fresh juice. And look at that. Max is having juice. This is fresh juice. And how's the juices? It even has the foam on the top. So that's what you do in Turkey if you're clever. Don't gamble with the coffee and get powder coffees and stuff like that. Don't do it. Anyway, the hunt is on. Sometimes you get good coffee. Like the other day, we were in Starbucks. That's cheating. That's really cheating. But you like Starbucks, right?
We'll go there again and have a carrot cake.
She loves carrot cake. Oh my god. So we handed in my phone for repair in this place. And they will have a look at it, see if they can repair it. So the issue with the phone is that when I've been driving with this quad lock, we have this quad lock system for the motorbikes, and for some reason it interacts with the waterproofness of my phone at the time, and I don't really know what it is that does it. I have a suspicion that it might be that hole in the top of the phone. We have both of us the Samsung 10, and the only thing that I can down, I really don't see an issue much, but I have a feeling that that hole up there might be an issue for water coming into the phone, in my phone anyway. Max's phone has been fine so far.
Yeah.
It hasn't had any problem when we were driving in rain.
Yeah.
But the first time we drove in rain, mine started making funny things, and we had to put it in rice the first time. That was in Italy. Yeah. And now when we drove to this town today, not 2 days ago, it was really raining hard, and it just stalled again. By the time I arrived, it was okay, but when I took it off, the screen just ceased basically to work. So we handed in the phone to this place here, and we'll come back when he gives us a call, and hopefully he can repair that phone, because I don't mind just buying another phone per se. Of course I would rather not. The problem is that to get all the equipment up to date, we have to change the setup for the phones on the bikes, and that's really the problem. So we are attempting to repair this phone, and hopefully it'll work. So we want to formally introduce the house that we are currently staying in. It's not this one there, it's that one there. It's not around at the moment. See? And our motorbikes are stored here, and we are living on the top floor with all the windows up there. And Max is very excited because there's orange on the tree. And there's probably two, right? Anyway, our place is up there. It's cold in the evenings because it's so much windows, but in the daytime you have to take the curtains down because it gets too warm in there.
We have one orange. Can I get one? Thank you.
And our landlord. Hey landlord!
And this lemon. Hi.
So I'm gonna take you on a tour at our new place here. So as I said, there's a lot of windows here, and that theme goes again on the south part of the apartment here. We have like an iron ladder kind of thing going on here, and the motorbike's just downstairs in the garden. And then we have like a balcony thing. Let's lock this thing. And it's pretty nice. It's completely open on the outside here. There's a little table here with the two chairs. I'm using the table for editing at the moment. And here's the living room. We'll come back to that, but here is a very nice little kitchen, so you have to get out on the balcony to get into the kitchen. It's very functional. Has a dishwashing machine thing here. Stove, right, cookers, gas. Refrigerator. Going back to the living room, here, very nice place, spacious, and for once a decent sized TV, maybe about 42 inch. So we sit here at the table and work, and I sit over here connected to the TV with my other computer, and I use this chair with an extra pillow. Pretty good for me and my bad back. We have the heater going on here, plenty of power. There's 3 heaters in this, and usually we just use one. That's plenty. And we have the bedroom, also quite spacious. We have all the charging regime going on here. And we have a walk-in cabinet, closets over there. It's really nice. I can recommend the place for sure. It has air conditioning because you probably need that in the summertime. It's really, really hot here with all the windows if you want to spend time indoors. And here's Max. You're happy with the place?
I am.
You are, Claire?
Yeah, I mean, I am very satisfied. It's very clean, and the chairs are nice, and it's gonna be hot in the summer. Here,
Even today
is warm. We feel the warm.
Yeah,
here
as
now.
soon as the sun is on, like today, it's plenty warm here. Yeah. Yeah, so that's a quick rundown of the place. Bathroom here. Going inside. Here's our things. And from the inside here. And a nice shower. There's a run-through heater, and of course the heater is not that big, so the water coming out of the shower head is not high pressure. So, but the heat is there, hot water.